Welcome to Dhara Education. This is Saboni Dhara once again welcoming you all in my channel. Today's video is all about 12th standard HSC Commerce section based on new syllabus. The topic is Economics, Chapter number 1, Introduction to Micro and Macroeconomics. Lecture 1.
Students, this is Saboni Dhara once again in Dhara Education, and today this video is based on the economics for HSC board. Yes students, that is 12th standard Maharashtra board. So let's begin with the economics chapter, and what do you mean by economics, that also I will let you know. So stay tuned. Now students, we will going to see what do you mean by actually economics. Economics means what? What does it mean? In a general way, economics means it is one kind of social science, okay, and it is totally concerned with the production and distribution of all the goods and services. In the economy. So economy means our nation's economy. Basically economics is deal with the social interaction, that is social science of concerned with the production and the distribution of all goods and services in a country, or you can say in a nation, is called as what? Economics. Okay. On the other hand, economy means what? Economy, that is economy. Economy means it is nothing but the income, the expenditures, or you can say expenses of the entire country, the profit and the losses, etc. Those are called as what? Economy. So this is what called economics. Economy is also based on the distributions, operations, networking of all the industries, business, trading of all the goods and services in the country is known as what? Economy. And economics means social science of which concern with the production and distribution of all the goods and services in a particular country is known as economics. Am I clear this point to everyone? Basically, economics is divided into two particular criteria. So the first one is called microeconomics, and another one is called macroeconomics. So this is what the main two subtype of economics, which is divided into two parts. So again I am explaining, economics is divided into two parts, that is microeconomics and macroeconomics. Micro, the name micro means it deals with the small units, or you can say individual units. Okay, particular commodity, okay, so etc. Whatever so it is in the textbook, you can say as micro deals with individual things, a very small individual units, particular commodity, small firms, they are concerned with the microeconomics. On the other hand, the opposite of micro is called as a macro, which deals with large, or you can say sum, as a whole, you can say as a whole. It deals with the national income, it deals with the individual income, It deal with the country's profit or loss. It deal with the individual profit or loss. So this is what the examples. For example, if I'm talking about only Mr. A's income, it is called as microeconomics. If I'm talking about Mr. A plus Mr. B plus Mr. C plus Mr. D's income, whatever the income is all about, XXX, it is called as macroeconomics. Alright, so this is it, the bifurcations of economics.
Subscribe my channel Dhara Education for more videos. Click on like button. Comment your doubts and views. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Stay tuned with Dhara Education. Bye-bye.